exciting edition comes from the acclaimed author of 7 Things Beginners Should Know About Investing in Cryptocurrency. Alex Fisher promises to captivate readers with its engaging narrative and insightful themes. Whether you're a seasoned reader or new to the world of literature, this book offers something for everyone. Dive into a story that will keep you turning pages and leave you pondering long after the final chapter. The author, known for their expertise in cryptocurrency, brings a unique perspective to the literary world. With a successful track record in providing valuable insights to beginners, their storytelling prowess is sure to shine through in Alex Fisher. Expect a blend of knowledge and creativity that only this author can deliver. We invite you to join our exclusive list of reviewers. As a member, you will receive advanced copies of our books, including Alex Fisher, for your enjoyment and review. This is a fantastic opportunity to engage with new literature before it hits the shelves. To become a reviewer, simply visit our website at dacepublishing.org. Sign up today and be among the first to explore Alex Fisher. Don't miss out on this chance to be part of our literary community and share your thoughts with fellow readers.